What did you think Turkey was going to be like? What was it like on your first day in Turkey, being in a completely foreign country for the first time, not knowing the language?
It was a little challenging. Especially because our phones didn't work, so we had to just point at the different pictures that were on the menu. Thank God that there were pictures on the menu. And we were blessed enough to actually have the owner be sitting on the other side of the restaurant, and he heard us struggling and he knows English. So he came over and he kind of helped us out. He asked us what were we looking for, what did we want to eat. He was a super sweet guy. We really, really appreciated it, but it was a little intimidating.
What was intimidating about it?
That we had no idea what each other were saying. The host and the server didn't know what we were saying. We didn't know what they were saying. And it was our first day, our first evening in the country of Turkey. When the restaurant owner came over to help us, one, I didn't know that it was the restaurant owner. I just thought it was a nice guy coming to help us out, and he was a nice guy that was coming to help us out, and I felt relieved.
Bien provecho.
Bien,
Cheers.
Great day.
Yeah, great day.
Sağlığınıza.
Salud.
Roberto, sizin kültürünüz de aynı bizim kültürümüz gibi herhalde.
Roberto is in your culture, just like our culture, I guess.
Yeah? Yeah?
Biz elle yemek yeriz. Biz elle yemek yeriz. Ve kültürümüz çok menü oluyor soframızda.
We eat by hand. Such a culture has many members
Filipino.
on our table.
Evet.
Uh-huh.
What up, everybody? We out here in Kadikoy, Turkey. You know what I'm saying? Super far destination for us. But we're out here exploring the city today. Get a vibe for it. Feel the people, for the culture, what's it's all like, all around here. And normally when we get to a new spot, in the first couple days, like to just stroll around and see what the place has to offer. Yo, so we just stopped at come on, actually. Yo, we just saw a wedding. Hold on. So Maxie and I saw this parade of cars rolling down the street honking horns, so we decided to follow, and there was a wedding, so we decided to go and
I love weddings.
go celebrate. And I was nervous to roll up and on this wedding with a camera, but we did it. And during the wedding ceremony, these dudes just pulled out handguns and just started shooting.
Blah, 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 blah.
So yeah, I'm still like shaking a little bit.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah. So,
Like, wow.
so-
Wow. I'm in shock.
Yeah.
But the wedding was beautiful.
Yo, and
the wedding.
and the guy playing the drums. So
Oh, that was cool too.
that's it.
But
Cool stuff.
literally, he didn't even shoot up. He shot like towards the building. That was so dangerous.
Yeah, towards the apartment buildings, and from the apartment buildings. Yay!
Hey!
From the apartment buildings, I think he shot at the buildings and then hit the buildings, and the people came out and started going off. So Yeah.